Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy and this is Dev. Welcome to the weekly update of Nifty. So इस वीक के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पर Nifty एनालाइज करेंगे. We'll try to give you the direction of the market and based on that, if you have your strategy and that suits you, maybe you can take some good trades out of it. Alright, so let's start. So अगर आप कुछ दिनों से India Trading Academy follow कर रहे हैं तो you know कि हम ये 272 टारगेट देख रहे हैं निफ्टी का. So we are close to that. We are so close. As a matter of fact, some of our students are in the trade from this level and they are still holding the trades because we all are hoping for 272 target. पर इस week के लिए क्या? So let's analyze the market and let's see what happens. For that we have to go to the lower time frame. So ये हमारा recent का consolidation है and we are actually trying to go up in that direction. So what that means, ये यहाँ पे perfect buy था. If you know this structure, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि this is the perfect buy for the upside. But literally we actually sold this move on intraday and now we are looking to get on this move. So उसके लिए बस मुझे 15 मिनट्स पे जाना है. And if this is an impulse to the upside, यहाँ पे कोई भी corrective structure develop करता है जो हम लोग जानते हैं. And the moment that pattern is complete, we will be shooting for this target for sure. But in any scenario, if we are breaking this trend for the downside, again downside के लिए अभी इस चार्ट पर कोई भी confirmation नहीं है. Short term sell, you'll get it, but we are not interested on those unless we are not getting 100 or 200 points out of it. So we are looking for the upside. अगर नया ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करना है तो यहाँ पे मुझे एक पैटर्न चाहिए अपसाइड के लिए. Once that pattern is complete, मैं अपसाइड का ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करूंगा. So again, for this week, 90% of time, if we saying कि our 272 target is about to get hit, वो उसको छू कर गिरेगा या फिर वहां से ऊपर जाएगा. Only 10% of the time क्या होगा, वो बस उसके पास आ जाएगा and then maybe it can go down from there. But that happens only 10 times. But 90% of the time, अगर उसने नहीं छुआ है, we would be still looking for the upside based on the patterns it forms. So इस week का review is the same. We are still hoping our 272 target that get hit. And if not, any short happens in the market, trust me guys, वो हमें बताए बिना नीचे नहीं जाएगा. So this is the overview of this week on Nifty. If you are a new, let me promote our academy, our courses, but before that let me promote some good thing. If you are a beginner and आप अभी market में नए हो, there are so many information out there. Some are good, some are bad. So it's really hard as a beginner to judge these kind of information. So what we have done, what our academy has done, we have started a new series. It releases on every Monday and that give you a basic concept and basic knowledge. जो सही knowledge आपके पास होना चाहिए at least अगर आप market में enter करने के लिए सोचें. So these kind of videos are available on Mondays on our channel. उसमें आपको ये perspective तो मिल ही सकता है कि किस तरह के information का आप किस तरह से फायदा ले सकते हैं. So this is it for this program. If you are looking for the best academy in India, best course in India in terms of trading, and I'm not saying this because I belongs from this trading academy, I'm just saying कि इतना कुछ हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे observe किया है, इतना कुछ हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर देखा है, and based on that content, we are proudly saying that कि इस level पर इस तरह का syllabus आज की तारीख में इंडिया में कोई represent नहीं कर रहा. So if you are looking for any kind of good course, ट्रेडिंग से रिलेटिव इंडिया ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी पे एक ही कोर्स है और वो कोर्स या तो आप ग्रुप में करेंगे या वो कोर्स आप 1-on-1 करेंगे. आर एक्सपेक्टेशन ये होगी कि ये कोर्स करने के बाद आपको ट्रेडिंग करने से रिलेटिव कोई भी और कोर्स की जरूरत नहीं होगी लाइफ लॉन्ग पीरियड. ऑलराइट, और ये बोथ कोर्सेज ऑनलाइन है तो आप कहीं से भी इन्हें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. And more details about these you can get from the site. Anyways guys, this is enough promotion for the course and the academies. If you want, you can have more information. I've already said the view on Nifty, and if you want to check out our depth knowledge of trading, there are also live trading available which you can watch out. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.